Euro Football Weekly is sponsored by bwin.
Welcome to Euro Football Weekly, a show where we discuss the betting lines for the upcoming European football fixtures. Today's guest is Bernardo Baltazar from tipstersplace.com. Bernardo, welcome to the show.
Hello, Natalie.
Now, playing on Sunday is AC Milan versus Hellas Verona. Moving straight to the odds for the match, using the tool sbrodds.com to find the best available value. AC Milan with the home advantage are the favourites, priced at 1.5 with Coral. Hellas Verona can be had at 7.5 with Paripa, and the draw is priced at 4.33 with Bet365. Now, Verona have been Serie A's surprise team this season. They're 10 points and 5 places above the match favourites. So in your mind, is there a chance of an upset here?
Yes, I believe that Verona has it all to do an upset here, because Milan is doing games. They score normally early in the games, but then that defense, they concede goals that are unbelievable on a team like Milan. Milan now changed the coach. Seedorf will assume the team from now on, and I believe that he will increase that weakness of Milan. But he hadn't time to do it, so I believe that Verona, with the football that they are playing now, even with the 3-0 against Napoli, but Napoli is really strong at this moment. So I believe that they can do an upset to Milan, even on the road.
Yes, I agree with AC Milan's new coach here. Hellas Verona doing very well this season. I definitely can see the upset. Not sure if I'm willing to lay my money on it though, but it's very tempting at 7.5. A bet that I am looking at though, probably a safer bet, both teams to score. That's priced at 1.8, offers good value. Both teams have scored over 30 goals each over 90 games played, and have conceded roughly the same amount. So could this bet be the safer bet in this match in your opinion?
Yeah, of course. That when I say that Verona can do an upset, of course that I want to put my stake on direct win, straight win to Verona. But I believe that we have value to go on Verona market, because you can, a double chance is paying around 2.8, and Verona Asian handicap plus 1.0. Is paying at the moment around 2.25. But about the question on both teams to score, yes, I believe that Milan will score on this game. But Verona too. So 1.8 is one of the best values on this game.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
And sorry, you were saying there, Hellas Verona, are you going to make a bet on them to win?
Yes. So my pick here. On this game, beside that one that you agree that is both teams to score around 2.8, a lot that I believe that will low near the game. The market will see that is paying very well that bet. 1.8 is a very good value on these both teams scoring on this game. And my other pick for this game is Verona Asian handicap 1.0. Around 2.25 at SBO bet.
Okay, wonderful. Two good bets there. Bernardo Baltazar is from tipstersplace.com. They've got a proven track record. Go check out their website. Bernardo Baltazar, thanks for joining us today.
Cheers, Natalie.